Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Danburite, the stone of authenticity. And for those who have watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity and your desire to work with gemstones. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I am a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and now a brand new published author. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the supportive benefits, and deciding if this is a gemstone you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Danburite, then I will link that video in the eye above, so you can pause this video if you like, listen to that one, and hear more about the supportive benefits of Danburite before the guided meditation. If you do have a piece of Danburite, then this is a perfect time to go get your gemstone and set it beside your meditation space. But no gemstone is required to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts that you hear in this meditation really, they call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Danburite and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start the guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, directly on the ground outside. As long as you can remain comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we sit with the Danburite in meditation. So if you have your piece of Danburite, or you're ready to picture a clear crystal in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like to breathe right now. Bringing your awareness to the rest of your physical body, and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. Bring your attention to your heart. And notice if any emotions are with you right now. And then drawing up to your mind to check in with the state of your mind. Is it calm, relaxed, distracted? And we're not trying to change or fix anything. Just checking in with what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your perception down to those places on your body that touch the cushion, or floor, or the ground beneath you. And connecting with your touch to the earth. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire planet, directly over its center. And it can perfectly support you and whatever's going on with you. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth to guide you and protect you. If you do have a piece of danburite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the crystal today. And take a moment to feel this danburite in your hand, whether it's rough or polished or tumbled. Feel the weight of it in your hand. Run your fingers over the surface and take a minute to get to know your piece of danburite. And if you don't have a piece of it, then picture a sparkly, clear crystal in your mind. Take a minute to get to know this danburite. Notice if anything has changed in your heart, your body, your mind since you picked up the danburite. And then imagine that you are exuding a brilliant, bright light straight from your heart center. And it shines out in all directions. It surrounds you completely and shines out well beyond the bounds of your physical body. And sit with this image of danburite energy for a minute. Danburite is the stone of authenticity. And as you hold or imagine the crystal in your mind, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you want to make a big change in your life? Would you like to live your life more authentically? Are you a Reiki or energy worker? Would you like to explore and strengthen your connection to your personal energy and aura? Would you like to feel more connected to others on a soul level? Danburite is a gemstone that is extremely supportive in all these situations. And if one of these scenarios, these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your body and mind, and sit with this situation for another minute or two while you hold the danburite or picture it in your mind. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about the situation since you've been holding the stone. And notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the imagery of the Danburite energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your natural breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this Danburite meditation. And if you do feel that this was useful, if Danburite is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of Danburite as soon as you need them. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life to initiate transformation and change by knowing which situations you would like support with, which gemstones will help you, and sitting with them when you need them. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you've been watching my videos and you enjoy them, or you're new to the channel and you want to explore some more, then make sure that you do subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a single crystal video. And please do consider checking out my new book, Crystal Wisdom, to see if that is a book that can help you on your life journey to inspire transformation and change. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.